How to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance error. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First fix for this issue is try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Trust application. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Trust application and reinstall the application again and see if that fixes the issue. If not, make sure you are opening the correct wallet. You might have entered the wrong recovery phrases. Every recovery phrase has its own multiple coin wallet addresses. You need to find the correct set of words to recover your wallet. Next, check your internet connection and VPN uses. As the app to work, you need to be online. In some cases, your connection gets blocked when you are on a country that prevents accessing crypto-related sites or apps. Some users also want additional privacy. Using VPN is one way to add this layer of security. Next, you can also try to re-import your wallet. Before proceeding, you need to make sure that you back up your wallet. The process involves removing the wallet and restoring it back. And these are a few steps on how you can fix Trust Wallet not showing balance error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.